Good evening guys, Mike Padua here, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Friday through Monday, November 27 to 30th, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. And let's talk about the latest situation for the next few days to early next week. We begin with the latest GovSat. Today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday, there has been changes with the wind systems affecting the Philippine Islands. Right now, the northeast monsoon or Amihan has been retreating towards the north, and it's just affecting the extreme northern parts of Luzon, including Ilocos region and the Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands. Alongside with the tail end of a frontal system or stationary front, it will bring some windy conditions with passing showers across this area, mostly cloudy skies at this part of the Philippines, while the rest of Luzon, Visayas, portions of Mimaropa, particularly Marinduque, Romblon, including the eastern sections and northeastern sections of Mindanao, will be under now the influence of the enhanced easterlies being strengthened by the prevailing La Niña phenomenon. So we could expect mostly cloudy skies with isolated to start scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly along the eastern seaboards of the affected areas. Meanwhile, the rest of the country will have sunny to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms as well. Just watch out for possible flooding just in case severe thunderstorms brought about by the easterlies pass by over your areas. Outside of the Philippine area responsibility, we don't have any low pressure area expected to develop within the next 24 hours. We just have here two weather systems surface trough across central Micronesia and the intertropical convergence zone along the Marshall Islands and the eastern part of Micronesia. And let's take a look at our fast animation. So there you go, here's the easterlies, while here's the combined surface trough and the intertropical convergence zone. This is not a tropical system that is expected to develop, so no worries guys. And as we look at our windy.com zoom in satellite animation from UMETSAT, you can clearly see here some cloudiness across the Philippine Islands, particularly over the eastern sections of the country, penetrating into the central parts of example Luzon, and here Masbate. We have some severe thunderstorm. This is brought about by the enhanced easterlies by La Niña. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas and rain gear for the next few days, because as we look at our weekend forecast from ECMWF, courtesy of windy.com, beginning tomorrow Saturday, we still have the easterlies here across the Bicol region, Visayas, while localized thunderstorms across Mindanao and Palawan, some easterlies as well here, and over the northeastern part and extreme northern part of Luzon, we have the usual northeast monsoon Amihan. The convergence of the easterlies and the Amihan will generate some thunderstorms across Cagayan Valley as well. So on Sunday, when we move into Sunday, we have the resumption of the northeast monsoon across Luzon and some northeasterly trade winds, no longer easterlies, across Visayas and Bicol region. Some showers will still be expected at these areas. And on Monday afternoon, we have some increasing thunderstorm activity across the Bicol region due to a possible formation of a shallow low pressure area to the east of Samar. So we are going to keep an eye on this, but it's not expected to become a tropical cyclone based on the two computer models, the ECMWF and the GFS. But we are keeping an eye moving forward on December 6th. This might be another candidate of an active LPA. It's not yet expected to intensify into a tropical cyclone based on the medium range forecast. Usually the forecast of more than 7 days is considered low probability, less than 25% up to 0% probability. So there's still chances that it won't push through, but we expect a possible formation during those weeks of December, particularly beginning December 6 onwards. As of now, the uncertainty remains high, so we don't know if there will be another tropical cyclone, but we are going to observe. We're not going to alarm first the public, but we are going to observe this latest weather system that is possible to develop after the first week of December. But let's hope and pray that it won't push through, because we already have been bombarded by so many tropical cyclones during the past month. So let's hope and pray that no more cyclone, but we are here to give you the very latest in the coming days and weeks if the potential cyclones pushes through. But so far it's we can't say any track as of now. There's still the formation is not yet there. These are all medium and long range forecast, which is still below the average to high probability. Okay, it's on the lower probability, so we can't say that, we can't forecast that. It's like the other weather agencies, they don't mention forecast of more than 7 days, so we stick on the 7 to less than 5 days, because this is medium to higher probability. But I'm giving you already a hint that there's a possibility of a formation come second week of December, but we still don't know where it will go. We hope it will curve, not affecting any parts of our country. Okay, so that's the latest for this Friday through Monday. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest update on incoming systems or tropical cyclones, so that you will be updated all the time and be prepared for the latest situation on the weather and tropical cyclones. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Happy weekend to all. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser, #typhoonwiser, and thank you again for watching our YouTube channel.